with Grower Solution. I want to talk to you real quick about how to enclose or tie the end of a piece of drip tape. There's 3 different ways. There's probably more, but this is the way we do it. The easiest way is just take and tie a knot in it. It's drip tape. Tie a knot in it. And if that's not good enough, guess what? Put another one in. Is it going to leak? Probably, but it will drip, and this is drip tape. So that's the very inexpensive way to do it. Another way that a lot of commercial nurseries do it, if they don't tie it, they take and do either what's called a cigar band or a wedding band. And what I did is I cut off a piece of the end of this drip tape, just like a wedding band, and you fold it, and then fold it, and then fold it sideways so you can get it in, put that on there, and it slides on just like a cigar band or a wedding band. And that when that water gets on the pressure, it swells up, it won't come apart at all. And then the third way, is to use the end enclosure that we offer. And what you do with that, again, very simple, just fold it over. It's got a big end and a little end. Use the big end, slide that in there. Sometimes it's a little easier, but you slid it in, and then take the open end. You see where I'm sliding that in? Slide that in, see if you can jam it through the rest of the way. There you go, you see how it is? Again, when you get water in there, it's gonna seal it up tight. At the end of the season, you can just pull that off and loosen that and put that in your bucket so you don't lose it. So hopefully that gives you an idea of 3 different ways to do it. If you're on a real budget, you can just tie a knot in it, or you can use the wedding band. But if not, and you want to use end enclosures, you can do that. Thank you again so much. We appreciate your business, and you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.